you ready for a DIY adventure? Join me, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces, as I dig into my recycling to create some fun spring decor for you. Before we get started, let's make sure you sign up for my free email newsletter that'll include a discount to my online store, and you'll get my updated posts right to your inbox, no strings attached. You can sign up for the frequency even for how often you'd like to get it. All right, let's have some fun. Aren't these fun? I could see them used for most anything. It doesn't have to be flowers. It could be utensils in the bathroom, the kitchen. You could gift them to somebody, even use them as decor in a wedding or May Day baskets, Mother's Day, whatever. You can change the feel of it. It doesn't have to be the French chic that I added. The idea is to have fun with it, to create your own decor, your own home story. It's fun and affordable too. Leave me some comment love on my blog post, and don't forget to sign up for my email newsletter. Bye!